Well, here I am, working on the Panel Bug EV conversion. At the same time it's being built, trying to make it work with the electric motor. So, here's the rear bearing for the drive shaft. See the spines? This is the back bearing for the leaf, front and back. This is the front spindle for the Panel Bug. This guy is almost perfect. I built an adapter plate from these guys to these guys, from this 3-bolt pattern to this 4-bolt pattern, and I can use 4 of these, 2 on the front, 2 in the back for drive, and should be able to make it all work. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.